I believe. I believe. I want everybody right now to comment below. I believe right now. This is Wesley Billionaire Virgin here. And this is a video of me. I just purchased myself a brand new Lamborghini Urus here, and I want to share with you. But before I get started, I want everybody right now to comment these words below. I believe. I believe. Okay? I believe. Now, when I use these words, and as you put these words below, I want you to believe in you. I want you to believe in your potential. I want you to believe in your mental power. I want you to believe with faith. I want you to believe with all the faculties of your mind, your perseverance, your desires, that you can create anything that you want here. What I'm showing you here, I'm going to give you a tour of my car here. And guys, thank you for all the love here. Just bought myself, and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy right now. And not just because I bought a brand new Lamborghini here, Urus. I'm excited because I get the opportunity to share with you. Okay. See, one thing I understand about life: stories change people. Okay. Hit the like button if that makes sense. Stories change people. I can tell you all day. I can do a video about how you can create your dreams. I can tell you and create videos about how that you have greatness in you. But if I can show you, okay, if I can show you, I'm a black African American male, born and raised in Houston, Texas. Okay, I never had nice clothes, never had nice shoes. I'd never driven in nice cars. I lived in the hood, not the hood, but I was in the hood. And to be able to demonstrate and show you and showcase what's possible, what that should do for you is this. Let's say, okay, Wesley Virgin, he didn't go to college, check. He filed bankruptcy, check. He had bad credit, check. He was very rebellious when he was young, check. He's been in jail several times, check. He's been kicked out of apartments, check. I've slept on air mattresses, check. There was times that I couldn't put gas in my car, check. There was times that I didn't have AC in my cars, check. And I still was able to create millions of dollars, okay? So I want you guys to look at this video a couple of times. Hey, I'm Wesley Billionaire Virgin. If you don't know who I am, I'm a self-made millionaire here, and I don't show you these cars and the things that I've earned in life to brag or to be braggadocious. But I show you that it's possible for you. Listen, I'm no greater than you. Listen, I am no greater than you. Okay? You can have this as well. And I know what a lot of you are thinking right now. Well, how, Wesley? How is this possible? Listen, I believe. Put those words below. I believe. I believe. Even when I was at my lowest, listen to me here. Even when I was crying, okay, when I was at my lowest, I still believed in me. When no one else believed in me, and when everybody told me that this is not possible. When people told me that this would never work out in my favor, I believed in myself. Okay? So yeah, so this is the Lamborghini Urus. So thank you for the likes and shares. Appreciate you guys. This is car number 8 here. I sold a Maserati. And, you know, I'm excited. I'm blessed. I'm highly favored. I'm grateful. And put a comment below. Put your questions below. I love to answer your questions here. And I know a lot of you have a lot of questions on how did he do it? How did he do it? I believe. Okay, this used to be on my vision board here. I have a vision board in my condo right now that has this exact car, this exact color here. It's a Lamborghini Urus here. It's very fast. It's nice. This is a sick vehicle here. And it's because I believed in myself. One thing about me, I don't listen to the naysayers. I don't care what other people say about what I do. I don't care what people say about my moves and my decisions in life. Okay, my decisions and my moves are creating an exceptional life. Right? I don't concern myself with other people. Some people, listen, some people, they want to concern themselves with your life and what you're doing and how you should make better decisions. But yet they don't have a pot to piss in. Listen, who do you listen to? Be careful of the people that you listen to in life. Okay? I listen to wealthy people. I listen to billionaires, right? And to be honest with you, I listen to myself. I listen to King Wesley, Billion-Dollar Virgin. That's what I listen to. Because that's the best person to listen to, in my opinion. And guess what? Sometimes you need to listen to yourself. Stop waiting to hear from your professor. Stop waiting to hear what your mom and what your daddy got to say. What about you? Sometimes you don't need advice. Sometimes the best advice is your advice. And guess what? If it's the wrong thing to do something different. And guess what? If you do something else and it's the wrong thing to do as well, do something different. And keep doing different things until you get the result. Okay? Thank you. I love you folks. I appreciate you. Thanks for the likes and shares. And share this, other people. This is called, when you say black excellence, this is called yellow excellence, right? It's yellow, baby. Come on. So share this. Pass this on to another person. You never know how it may affect or impact somebody else's life. Share it to somebody else. Let them know what's possible. Right? Say, hey, go check out this young black brother here in Houston, Texas here. And he is just living an exceptional life. He's doing all the things that most people want to do, and he's doing it, and he's teaching people. But not only that, I'm showing you here. I'm bold enough to do a video here, even though some people think I'm bragging right now. Small-minded people, of course. Small-minded people think I'm being braggadocious here. I'm not bragging. It's just a Lamborghini, but it's beautiful. Some people, this is your dream car. I'm not saying that everybody wants a Lamborghini, but this did cost $220,000, and I paid cash for it, which means they're getting ready to mail me the lease. They're getting ready to mail me the title. I love you folks. This is Wesley, Billion-Dollar Virgin here. I want everybody, before I go, I want you to type these words. I believe in myself. Put your name. Say, I believe in myself. I believe in Wesley Virgin. I want you to type the words. Say, I believe in me. And you're willing to do whatever it takes to get here. Hey, this is Wesley, Billion-Dollar Virgin. Much love. Let's get it.